I've had an injury in life which has left me mostly disabled and has also meant that I've lost my memory entirely, pretty much. And it's a very strange existence now. But it has meant that I've been forced to find ways to try and make progress in life. And it's very difficult to find a way. But in order to find this way, I've been using my computer and my phone as well. So I'm using the internet, and that's principally Google and YouTube at the moment, I would say. And these technologies have fundamentally changed my life and enabled me to make my life work, basically. And the thing that's occurred to me is just what our technologies, our computing technology, and specifically our internet, it made me wonder about what that means for humanity. I'm thinking that humanity is being connected very intimately with our internet and our mobile phones and Google and YouTube, etc. We are communicating with each other and connected to each other in very strong, intimate ways. And it's made me think that the way we're connecting people together is similar in a way to the way the brain is constructed. So our brains are lots of individual neurons connected to each other in complex arrangements, which has led to intelligence and awesome capability and processing power by connecting very simple elements together. But it's the connection between these simple elements that leads to brilliant capacity for thought and the ability to perform actions on the world. So the reason I'm rambling like this is to say that our internet is connecting people together. And if we regard people, and it's literally billions of people, if we regard these people as neurons, and then we have the internet connecting all of these neurons together. With our internet, we have essentially created a brain. It's the equivalent structure to a human brain. So the internet is connecting people together as if the people were neurons, and connecting all those neurons together, we have essentially made a brain for the earth. So these billions of people are connected on the internet, and they have made a form that's essentially the same as a brain. So I'm finding myself quite awed by this and worried in a sense, and just mystified about what this might mean. It's as if the entire race is becoming like a single brain. We're connected together intimately such that we can regard the whole earth, if you like, as a single entity, as a brain, basically. So all of these people connected together with the internet, it makes the internet essentially a similar structure to the human brain. Now this idea is completely awesome. To regard the internet and the connectivity of the internet means that we are essentially a single entity. The whole internet, billions of people on Earth, can increasingly be regarded as a single entity, one thing with the potential to have single thoughts with billions of people being involved in pursuing that thought. So I'm thinking that if we can regard the Earth as a body and the people on the Earth connected with the internet as being a brain for that body, then the potential for advancement of the species is absolutely enormous. It's just impossible, I would say, to even conceive of what might be possible with this arrangement. If we regard the Earth as a body and the billions of people on the Earth connected in an internet as being the brains for that body, we have essentially created an entity in its own right. A single entity is one thing. These billions of people coming together can be regarded as essentially one thing. So the whole of humanity can be harnessed together to pursue one goal. And it's absolutely awesome to see humanity in this way. And it is absolutely amazing. And I don't know how to conceive of what might be possible with this arrangement of humanity. The whole of humanity being a single entity, billions of brains connected together, not just billions of single cells as in a normal human brain, but the brains themselves being connected in a similar way as individual brains are connected. So billions of brains connected together in a unified way, being capable of pursuing single objectives, single thoughts, single activities, single goals. I think it is stupefying, absolutely amazing what might be possible with the arrangement we've created with our internet. Joining billions of brains together so intimately, so closely. The potential is absolutely amazing of what we might achieve as a single entity going forward. Billions of people working together as one. I really can't comprehend what might be possible, but it is truly, truly amazing.